Welcome to DTC Telecom, your partner for telecom lifecycle management solutions around the world. Every day we deliver telecom hardware, technical network engineering and specialist sustainable recycling services to our long-established clients across the globe. In the UK, we are helping to build the new digital economy, underpinning the next generation of communications networks. DTC Telecom independently supplies multi-vendor hardware spares and repair services to provide a real alternative supply chain option and choice. Unrestricted and vendor agnostic, DTC provide warranted products with significant cost savings and reduced lead times on a huge range of obsolete, legacy and current cutting-edge networking products. Our fully managed reverse logistics service ensures reuse where possible, or alternatively the safe, compliant disposal of recovered surplus telecom assets. From recovering customer premises equipment, through fixed-line networking, to mobile networks and radio base stations, down to the legacy copper cable in underground ducts, we partner with clients on a wide range of products. Our professional engineering services division offers skills and expertise to businesses designing, planning, installing, maintaining, migrating, and decommissioning telecom networks. Make DTC your telecom lifecycle management partner, and we will support your business with secure asset disposal, promote reuse, and reduce both operating and capital expenditure. Supporting you with the right hardware choices and expert technical skills, DTC Telecom deliver real savings and meaningful corporate socially responsible benefits